Some of these animals present a real test of our abilities. Take the Gallimimus. It's an opportunistic omnivore that does best in groups. That alone isn't a problem, but the speed. Gallimimus is incredibly fast, which presents special challenges for the ranger teams tasked with monitoring them. Gallimimus is a late Cretaceous Ornithomimid from the Namek Formation of Mongolia, roughly 70 million years ago. It stood about 2 meters tall at the hip, stretched 6 meters from beak to tail tip, and weighed roughly 440 kilograms, comparable to a modern pony in size, but built for speed, not strength. Its body was a study in reduction. The skull was long, narrow, and toothless, sheathed in a keratinous beak that likely strained small animals and plants from soft sediment. The eyes were large, set high in the skull, providing panoramic vision to spot predators like Tarbosaurus across open plains. The neck was slender and flexible, a sinuous column of vertebrae that allowed the head to sweep low while running. The legs were its masterpiece. The femur was short and robust, the tibia and fibula elongated, and the metatarsals compacted into a tight, arched structure that functioned like a spring. This gave it a stride length that could outpace most threats, with estimates suggesting speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. The tail, long and stiffened by interlocking tendons, acted as a counterbalance, whipping side to side with each stride. The arms were surprisingly delicate for such a large animal. Each hand bore 3 fingers, tipped with blunt claws that could grasp but not tear. Some paleontologists speculate the arms were used to rake through leaf litter or pull down low-hanging branches, though their fragility suggests limited force. The name bullatus refers to a distinctive bulbous capsule fused to the base of the skull, a hollow, air-filled structure that may have enhanced hearing or resonated low-frequency calls. Gallimimus likely lived in flocks, moving across the floodplains in loose aggregations that offered safety in numbers. Hatchlings would have been vulnerable to everything from dromaeosaurs to adult members of their own species, growing rapidly to reach adult size within a few years. Eggs were probably laid in shallow scrapes, guarded briefly, if at all. The species shows no evidence of parental care beyond the initial nesting phase. Its diet remains debated. The beak and gut structure suggest omnivory, but the sheer abundance of Gallimimus fossils in fluvial deposits implies it may have been a filter feeder, sieving small vertebrates, insects, and plant matter from river mud, like a hadrosaur. The Namek environment was a braided river system, lush but unpredictable. Seasonal floods churned the landscape, creating a mosaic of wetlands and dry scrub. Gallimimus navigated this terrain with a nervous, twitchy energy, constantly scanning, ready to bolt. It was not the largest or the most armoured, but it was fast, alert, and abundant. The quintessential prey species. shaped by the perpetual threat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons to make sure you don't miss a single video.